This is our super clean and well-maintained Hunter 33.5 with a long list of updates completed since her current owner purchased her in October of 2019. She represents an outstanding value on a proven coastal cruiser, and she is the perfect size for cruising along the coast or spending the weekend at the marina. With a full galley, air conditioning, 2 cabins, as well as a spacious cockpit and deck, your family and friends will have a great time with plenty of room for everyone. Enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video of our 1990 Hunter 33.5. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.